Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at this BOYI 68 key Matcha style RGB keyboard. So let's actually pop this open. So there's three different options for these. This one has yellow switches, which are going to be the softest. So first we're presented with the actual keyboard body itself and a nice little electronics wrap. The body is like a hard plastic or aluminum, super good weight. And there you can see the Matcha style keycaps and everything with all the nice little accents and stuff. You've got the Matcha leaf arrow keys and stuff like that. On the side here, it's got the on and off, your mode for connection, and then a charging port, which is USB-C, which is awesome. Here's the keys sound real quick. So super soft, super good for like all day typing and stuff like that. It's got two adjustable positioners right here for tilting it. So you have two different height choices there, which is super nice. And that's pretty much all with the keyboard right now. Here, I'm going to finish opening this up. So we've got a lot of accessories. So you've got a nice braided and branded cable for charging or connection as well. Spare keycaps in case you don't like the current designs or you want to add more. So we've got regular arrow keys, regular escape key, regular shift key, and then BOYI branded keys, as well as some fun little keys for you to play stuff with. We've got 4 spare switches. In case anything goes wrong, you can swap them. And then you've got, last but not least, the switch remover and a keycap remover, both included, which is awesome, super nice. So those two. And then last but not least, the actual plug-in for the keyboard itself. Just a little chip. Sweet. So yeah, this is super nice quality. Really like the sound of the keys. And it's super solid as well, which is awesome. And the brick design, it's super compact. Even though it is full 68 key, super small keyboard compared to most normal mechanical. So this is a good, like, something to travel and stuff like that. So yeah, really awesome keyboard, and thanks for watching. Just wanted to quickly show the switches on this keyboard. So let's just pull off one of the keys. Yeah, super nice keycap remover also that they include with here. Like, this is really nice to use. And this is awesome for pulling switches as well. Super nice, especially on these yellows. So you just come around like that. You can see how it's grabbed it, and that's how you pull your switches if you need to replace them, or if you wanted to change the switches out on this board. And boom, just like that. Yeah, super awesome keyboard, and I'll also be showing just connecting it to my PC and just showing the typing action on it. So here we can see I've got it plugged into my laptop, and it's got this really awesome RGB just with the wave and everything like that. Super cool. And then here you can see that it's doing some typing as well. Awesome. Yeah, super nice. I really like the RGB, super pretty. All right, thank you guys.